heading to the RA office right now for an installation of the board and the new president. Yeah, we're getting installed. Me and Tyler from the KD office are getting installed as board members for 2024 board. Christy House will become our new RA president. They're also installing, Keisha LeBron will be our new treasurer, and Ken Cimarron will be our president-elect.
Realtor Association of Acadiana have chosen you to serve in leadership positions as officers and directors for the coming year. As they are directed by the bylaws to be carried out in a professional, honorable manner. Do you subscribe?
Yes.
By the authority conferred upon me, I hereby proclaim each of you officially installed as officers and directors of the Realtor Association of Acadiana.
Yeah.